Stel, anak, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa pagmamahal mo. Um, Thank you so much sa pagsama mo sa amin sa pangarap mo. Salamat kasi naging inspirasyon mo
Tita Mylin's heartfelt message to tell.
kami para gawin kung ano yung mga gusto mong gawin. At may malapit ng maging sa katuparan yan dahil sa darating na mga panahon matatapos na yung
I'm feeling so good listening to Tita Mylene, Stel's mom. I mean, she is Stel's biggest supporter, and the way she supports her son, it is absolutely amazing. She's an amazing person. I mean, she's such a lovely person and respect her a lot. We all respect her a lot, and we all love her a lot.
na yung o mangyayari na yung inaasam-asam mo na pangarap para sa atin, sa pamilya natin. Maraming salamat na kasi kahit na may shortcomings kami bilang magulang mo, pero still mahal mo kami at yun nga, kasama kami sa pangarap mo. Mahal na mahal kita, nak.
We all know Stel in Hawaii right now, in the USA, in North America. He's having amazing time with SB19 and all the 18, and just the tour is going absolutely fantastic for him. And as you guys can see, his mom talking here, and sending a heartfelt message to him. And I'm pretty sure he's listening and he's feeling so good.
Mag-ingat ka palagi and diretso lang sa maging mabuting tao. Thank you, nak. Love you always.